students and parents. Welcome to the Test Prep Card channel. So today we'll talk about SAT exam centers. But before, let's know something about the SAT exam itself. So first answer the question what? What is basically SAT? SAT stands for Scholastic Assessment Test and is an entrance test for students aspiring to admit for undergraduate courses abroad, especially in the US and Canada colleges and universities. It is a written paper pencil test and helps evaluate the language and mathematical reasoning skills of the applicants. Okay. Even though there are no set SAT exam eligibility or age criteria for appearing in the SAT text, students usually appear for this examination after they have finished high school and have to admit for undergraduate courses. Generally, students within the age group of 16 to 18 years take this test. So, if you have cleared your 12th and are aspiring to study abroad, you can apply. However, there is no set age limit for appearing in this examination. The applicants in the age group of 12 years or less are also eligible to apply for SAT. Great, right? But by mail only. There is no upper age bar for this examination. My personal suggestion is to apply for this examination after your 10th boards, as you get enough time to prepare for this examination and you are well versed with your basic maths. One important thing I want to add here is that SAT is not a test of intelligence but a test of practice and aptitude. What I mean is that it's not important that you need to be academically great to excel in this examination, but it's more of how much you practice. As you know, practice makes a man perfect, right? So the next question is how? How we can apply for the SAT examination? This is one of the most important questions. So for this, you need to visit College Board's website. Go to the College Board's website, create a College Board profile, fill the application form, and there you can choose your testing centers as well as the date. So after this process, you have to pay the application fees and you are done. Wait, before moving forward, I have a good news for you all. For every SAT aspirant, we have prepared a SAT ebook which will help you a lot. So after watching this video, please download the SAT ebook from the link given in the description box. So now let's discuss some of the test centers. These are Ahmedabad International School, Allen House Public School Kanpur, Assembly of God Church School Kolkata, and there are many more which I'll link in the description box so you can check there. There are some important things you need to keep in mind when you report to the respective test center. While reporting to the specified SAT test center in India, the test takers are allowed to carry very limited things to the exam halls. The rules are very strict, so don't try to fool them. You know what I mean, right? The things you need to take with you are SAT hall ticket, the most important thing for sure, government ID with photograph, pencil, pen and eraser. Make sure you take your own pencil and all and don't borrow them from anyone. Calculator, they are approved with the authorities, so it's a plus point for you all. Drinking water bottles, as you'll definitely feel thirsty when you see the paper. Just kidding. The test taker must carry all these items in a transparent pouch so that all the items are visible to the invigilator at the test center. You know, every exam has some guidelines. So let's know some guidelines about the SAT exam. The SAT test centers in India have the same rules and guidelines that each test taker must be familiar with before taking the test. So, candidates must reach the test center at least 30 minutes before the SAT exam time mentioned in the hall ticket to avoid any hassle at the test center. I know many of you will enter the center at the last moment, but don't do that because no candidate will be allowed to enter the test centers after the test has started. Candidates must ensure that they carry the mandatory items to the test center. Candidates will be offered a 10-minute and a 5-minute break in between the tests. So, no other breaks in the middle of the test will be allowed. Test books, answer sheets, and all your other belongings must be kept at the desk during the test. Okay, mask, face coverings are mandatory because you know the current scenario, COVID is not yet gone. So keep yourself safe and maintain social distancing in the test center. I think I've covered everything about the SAT exam centers, and I hope you all have got the desired information. If you have any doubt regarding the video, you can comment down, we'll surely reply. One thing more, if you want a video on SAT preparation, comment down. We'll come up with that too. Thank you for being in this video for so long. And as you have reached till here, take time and subscribe our channel for more information.